Hello everyone, I am back with a hair tutorial or a wash day tutorial to show you guys from wash day to takedown day, which is today. So I tried a new line of products that you will see through the tutorial that I'm like simply amazed and so enamored with this brand. Like, it is A plus all the way, and guess what? You get to save 50% off of your order too, using ELLAE15 on your personal order, because I want y'all to glow with me and have these types of results. Okay, so let's get to it and see how I used this brand, Naturally Me and You. How I do it tutorial. Okay, so here I have the foaming scalp scrub with tea tree oil, and it contains sugar, olive oil, tea tree oil, lavender oil, rosemary oil, bentonite clay, Castor soap, honey, and other ingredients that I cannot pronounce. But these ingredients and this product in general was so amazing. It took all the buildup out of my scalp, as you can see, and it looks super clean. Alright, and now I am going in with the rice water and apple cider vinegar shampoo bar. It has olive oil, coconut oil, castor and palm, rice water, apple cider vinegar, cocoa butter, shea butter, peppermint oil, tea tree oil, and my favorite, Rossul clay. As you're going to see throughout this, you're going to see how easy it is to detangle my hair and how it's just giving it such amazing definition. I love the shampoo bar so much. So this is my hair fully washed out with all the products out of it. I deep conditioned with a different product, but you can see how shiny and just amazing definition without any product in it at all, freshly washed out. In the shower, I did apply the Natu Curls Ginger and Turmeric leave-in prior to actually styling my hair. So now I'm using the Moisturizing Hair Pomade, which contains castor oil and olive oil, grapeseed oil, and castor wax, vitamin E, and fragrance. When I tell you guys this pomade is amazing in conjunction with that oil I just showed, it's a bath and body hair oil that contains olive oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, and vitamin E. Those two together, you can see the shine on my curls. And when you see the results at the end, honey, I mean, it just speaks for itself. My hair loves moisture, especially with twist and taking it out when you want it to last a while. You need something that's super moisturizing, and my ends are always screaming for some moisture. So I was super pleased and very happy about these products. They didn't just sit on top of my hair. They penetrated through my hair shafts. It's just amazing, guys, amazing. And this is my first time actually using only like a moisturizer for my hair. I'm used to something creamy to style my twist, but the definition and everything was on 10, and I'm gonna just let y'all watch the rest. This is a twist and curl. This is usually not what I do. I usually don't use perm rods, but I want to try something a little bit different, and I hope you enjoy the results. these are the finalized results. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in the next video.